Time by Degrees, Bitcoin Gann Analysis, only at Gann Supremacy YouTube channel.
Good morning, viewers. This is Gann Supremacy from the Gann Supremacy YouTube channel. Today is 16th Jan 2026. Time is 8 8:00:49 IST Indian Standard Time. And today we are talking about the Bitcoin. So Bitcoin symbol is BTC USD and we are using the bits amped data from the trading view. Okay, so here in this software I am using the default data feed given by this software. Okay, so this is the daily chart on BTC USD Bitcoin. So today we are going into the Gann astrology part. Okay, this video is going to be from the Gann astrology part. So when we talk about Gann of astrology, we talk about price and time derived from the planets. Okay, so you should know which is the governing planet for any index, any script which you want to analyze. Once you know that, then you can go and start your analysis. But then in Gann analysis, Gann had said if you know the start, then you can come to the end. Okay, so the terminology used in Gann analysis is if you know the cause, you will know the effect. So for that, you need to know the start, where to start for Bitcoin. Okay, now every individual can start from wherever he wants using the Gann analysis. So this is as per my understanding of Gann analysis, and I have started from some point. Okay, so this we learn in our time analysis course, Gann time analysis course. For details, you can go and visit our website www.gannsupremacy.com. Go to the courses section. There you can visit the long term courses, and in that, the final course is the Gann time cycle course. So you can go and see what we teach there. You can see the cost, what you have to pay. You can see the duration there, how we go about this course, what you can learn, and how it will be beneficial to you in the long run. Okay. So here I'm not going to disclose which is the governing planet which we learn in our course. Okay, where to start, that depends on every GAN analyst. It may differ. Okay, he may differ with my starting point. He may have his own starting point. Okay, so we will not go into the details of the cause. Okay, we are going to just see the effect. Now coming to GAN analysis, price and time plus volume, okay, are the three dimensions of any analysis. Okay, so Gann said whenever the time is ripe, price will fluctuate or make a big move and volume will come in. Okay, so major player can coming at the appropriate time. So for that you need to learn the time cycle theory of Gann. Okay, so there are cycles within cycles, so you can go deep from any higher time frame to the lower time frame you want to time your market. So there are fixed time frames in Gann analysis, which we learn in our Gann price cycle course. Okay. So for which trading time frame, what price cycle will work. So it can be decided for any time frame what is going to be the cycle range. And once you know the cycle range, then you can set your trading plan. In that, suppose in the 100% you want to catch 50% of the move. So you will know where to go in, where to put your stop loss, and where to come out. So that is the trading plan we design in our Gann price cycle course. Okay. So in trading, you need a fixed time frame. You should not fluctuate from one time frame to another time frame. So that will have a detrimental effect on your trading plan. Okay. So before going into the trade or devising your trading plan, you should have done your analysis perfectly. And once you are decided your trading time frame and your targets are set, stop loss is set, then there is no need to change the time frame of your trading plan. You should stick to that time frame till you come out of the trade. If you are moving out from that time frame, fluctuating to higher or lower time frames, then you will spoil your trade, and the very objectivity of your trading plan will fail. Okay, this is what is the reason why most traders fail while executing their trading plan. Some traders will move from one system to another. That is a fatal error. Okay, it is the blunder committed. Why? Because that trading system is not working, so he will try which trading system is working as per his analysis. Okay, and once you do that, then you are wasting your time in markets. Okay, you need only a single system to trade, and you should practice it for your whole trading life. So if you are moving from one system to another, your results will vary, and you will not build up the required confidence in your whole trading life. So coming to Gann analysis, okay, we talk about three dimensions, that is price, time and volume. So here we will be discussing only time today. Okay, with time we are relating the price. So there is one concept in Gann called time by degrees. Okay, so you should know the cycle, you should know the cycle degrees for the individual script, that is called the vibration. And once you know the vibration, then you can decide your price cycle and time cycle both. So here we have set the Bitcoin price vibration and time vibration, and you are seeing the combo effect, combination of both on your chart. So the vertical time band shows the time cycle band for Bitcoin, and the horizontal lines show the price cycle points. So if you'll see here, we made a double top at this level. Okay, we made a double top at this level, and this was the earlier top. So we made a triple top pattern here. Okay, so as we broke out from this top, we went to form another top, a triple top. Then we came down here, tried to go up, again came down here, tried to go above this and we failed. Okay, and you can see this time band we got the reversal. Okay, so this run was from here, we came till here, then we made an attempt to go up above this low, we failed here, and then we came down. So now here on this price cycle point, we have taken support, and now we are trying to go up and go above this. Okay, so this is going to be a tough level to cross. It will take consolidation here. So we have done a good consolidation here. So this time band, after this time band, we got another move here. Okay, now you have to see this level. Okay, where this low of how much, let us check this. Okay, so this low is 100973 and this low is 98962. Okay, 98962. So let us check the high here. Okay, so we have come till 9600011. Okay, so we are going into a band of resistance of these two lows. Okay, so let me give you the current price cycle for this, where if we sustain above, then growth will happen on Bitcoin. Okay, so as per our means my Gann cycle analysis, price cycle analysis, you need to cross the level of 97989.87. Okay, 97989.87. So let us check the high related to this. So we have done 96011.62. Okay. So this price cycle and time cycle points will guide you further on how to trade. Okay. So you can say if we were ready here with our time band and below this price cycle point where the time count started, we were ready to look for reversal, and we got our first target, which was this low. Here we got our first target, and if you go in the past, you will see this low would be acting as support. Okay, so we did not come till here, we have stopped till here, so this low has worked. Okay, this low has worked very well here. So, as you know, in basic technical analysis, history repeats. Okay. So, in Gann also, you have to study the history, find the cause, means that is the start of the cycle. Okay. From where the cycle has started. Once you know the start, then you can expect to go and find the cause. That is where we could end up. Okay. So, this is the way to use the time by degrees. Now, this is astrologically formed. Okay, this is astrologically formed. So, this is the first video in the astrology series at Gann Supremacy YouTube channel. So, please see how it is to be done. Okay, this we go deep both in our Gann price cycle course and Gann time cycle course. Okay. Then we have another course called Gann intraday course. So same analogy of price and time, we go and analyze on the intraday level also. Okay. So at Gann supremacy, we have device and Gann indicator called Gann supremacy version 369, which is constructed with the Gann's law of vibration. Okay, and that indicator will guide you on all time frames. Okay, whichever time frame it suits your trading style, your trading profile, you can use it and see the vibration levels of the current trend of the market. It is a dynamic indicator. It is the levels are repainting with the trend. Okay, so you get the right price band to trade, and you can decide where to go in, where to put your stop loss, and where to come out very easily. Okay, you don't need a predefined trading plan. You get a dynamic trading plan with that indicator. Okay, so it is available on TradingView. You can see it by putting the name Gann Supremacy version 369. Search for it in indicators of TradingView. It is a invite only indicator. Okay, and it is a paid indicator. So there are some charges. Okay, for that, for the charges, you can visit our site www.gansupremacy.com. Okay, so in TradingView, you can contact the author. You have to put in a request. Once we get the request, we will send you the charges, what are required to get the indicator on your charts. Once you pay the charges, you get the indicator for the related period for which you have made the payment. Okay, so what are the charges? For that, you have to contact the author, and we will be updating that soon on our website www.gansupremacy.com. So keep visiting us for this indicator. We have also designed a short term course how to trade this indicator called Gann Magical Stocks and Option course. This indicator can be directly applied to the option charts, and with the combo of index and the relative option chart, or the stock and the relative option chart, the strike selection of the option becomes very easy, very objective, and once you get it how to trade, then you are set for a lifetime trading. Okay, you don't need any analysis. You can come in, look at the dynamic range established by the indicator, and decide your levels where you want to trade. Once you get the hang of it, then trading will become very very easy for you to execute. Okay, and the risk management is very easy on that, because you have the levels already there on your chart. Okay, so you can predefine your risk before going into the trade. So keep visiting us here. So this was the first topic, very very important. On any time frame, you need to calculate the time by degrees. Okay, so there is a price cycle method and there is a time cycle method in this, and there is a astrological method also. So today we have defined the astrological method. Okay, to learn this you have to come to us for the Gann time cycle course. Okay, so for that, please visit our website www.gannsupremacy.com. So thank you for being here till with me. Have a good day ahead. That's all from me, Gann Supremacy at Gann Supremacy YouTube channel. Thank you.
Time by degrees. Bitcoin Gann analysis. Only at Gann Supremacy YouTube channel.